How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco. Today we are here at beautiful Coco Village, and I have the pleasure of showing you around one of the most versatile boats you're ever going to see on the water. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk, the unsinkable legend. It's in the Montauk series, the biggest on the Montauk series, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's powered by this 200 Mercury in the white. It is in the beautiful Abaco blue hull color with the chrome decals. Right here in the stern, you've got all of your rod holders and your jump seats, which also double as a casting platform off the stern, which is beautiful. Gas tank in the rear, cup holders, JL audio speakers in the back. You have your live well right here, as well as your tackle area for your tools. More rod holders on the back of the podium. More cup holders. On your helm seat here, you've got your bolster seats. So you can stand up over your windshield when the weather gets bad, flop them down. Now you're protected. You do have a full hardtop on this boat, matched with the Abaco blue, matching the hull. It's beautiful. Netting up here for your life jackets or any other kind of gear. On your actual helm, classic Montauk steering wheel, Simrad MFD, your JL audio head unit, analog smart gauges, little glove box, Simrad VHF, and a digital binnacle that pairs with that 200 Mercury, which is amazing. Worth it in itself. All your switches there, and a compass up top. Right here, you do have a flushable head compartment. You can see we've got our boat cover in there, which is also included. Up front, you've got this huge bow area, which right now we have the comfort package, all their cushions on there. You can lift this up, and underneath you have a fish box here and an anchor storage right here. Pre-plumbed for a trolling motor. And your backrests, when your guests aren't sitting up here, you've got even more rod holders. It's a fishing machine, perfect for the sandbar, perfect for inshore. You could take it offshore. You can do everything on this boat. It's the most versatile boat you're going to find on the water. It is available now at MarineMax Coco, so feel free to give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you.